copyright infringement. Alright. I know the bus videos have not been as plentiful as they were in the past. Well, quite frankly, I got tired of working on the bus. But I did get it ready in time for our last trip, which was the main goal, or at least usable. So I was able to take a break. Well, today I need to do some stuff because we are taking it next weekend. Just a small trip. Let's see if I can get this to stay up here. Just a small trip locally to the Kentucky Horse Park. But they supposedly have a nice pool. And somebody said they charge for the pool. I wouldn't think so. I would think if you're paying $50 a night or $75 a night, whatever I paid for the campsite, would cover the pool. Maybe not. Anyways, in one of the videos, y'all saw me putting this thing back up. Which is all fine and dandy, but the structure underneath of it's gone. So with it being gone, I've got no way to mount it, but I got a plan for that. It's called cut the factory latches off and put some aftermarket ones on. Got these spring clips and these little quarter turn latches. Nacho. Damn. It's too thick. Worked out pretty good. And the spring clip just goes there. There we go. I tell you, I'd like to convert everything over to these little thumb screws. That way you don't need a screwdriver to open any of the latches. Well, there's one thing fixed. Off to the next item. Let's speed this section up and do a little voice overlay. You know, these cabinets, I didn't put any kind of latches or anything on them. They did fine moving the bus around the yard. Never had any problem the year I was building this bad boy. Until boom, the first time I go out of the driveway and all the cabinets go open. So I did decide to put some latches on it before our trip coming up. Lots to choose from of these on Amazon, but these were just kind of the cheapest, middle of the road, and had decent reviews, so why not? I tell you, one thing I like about these is you push down from the top, so it's kind of a push, lock, and open kind of deal. They come with those little rectangular brackets that I showed in the first part of this. I'm not needing them on these cabinets. There's enough lip for it to actually bite the cabinet. Man, the video work in this video is horrible. Good job, David. See how I'm pushing down there to open them? Trying to figure out the best shot for the camera to halfway show you how to put these on. These are nice. They come with a good quality double-sided tape on them. So what I've done here is I've scribed it. Then obviously just stick it on there with the double-sided tape. Some of these cabinets were a little bit, dirty's not the word, but dirty. So the tape wasn't perfect, and it comes with the smallest screws known to man that I end up dropping like 6 times. I'm glad I've given you all this clear shot of me installing and actually screwing this latch in. Oh, picking up screws. While I was doing this, I've got a bunch of stuff in here in the floor. Dog hair and stuff like that. I have like 4 dogs. It's part of the reason why I wanted to bus. And my big Pyrenees mixed boy likes to shed a lot. I think I can get like a leaf blower and blow this bus out. Surely that'll work. Start from the back and just blow it all out the front door. This cabinet here on the right, I actually ended up swapping the latch and moving it a little bit. It was too tight of a grasp. But these latches are like O'Keefe, I don't know, no part number, no nothing on them that I could see. They did come off Amazon some time ago. I actually think I ordered them at the last campground. pretty happy with them, just playing around with them. And I really like the way they push down from the top. Some of these are tight, like this door face, cabinet door right here. I must have hung just a little bit off kilter from the other ones because there's not much room to get your fingers up in there. I also need to figure out if I want to do the drawers. I don't remember them coming open, but I have a couple more extra latches.
Real quick, what I was saying, and I don't know if I made the point off from the earlier
fighting the drawers coming open versus the hassle of having to unlatch the drawer or cabinet face every time you get into it. Something that I need to figure out if it's worth it.
I look forward to seeing his bus and meeting him. We'll see if he actually makes it. He left Leavenworth this morning. He said it's about a 9-hour drive.
You guys be good and be safe out there.
So he should be here.
We'll catch you next time for some more piddly stuff.
He's anticipating.
Off to the horse park next week.
I'll be sure to get a video of it. So you guys have a good one. We'll catch you next time.